Hi everyone, this is your very own Farna Shetty and welcome back to Ask Housing. A lot of people have been asking us questions about brokers and real estate agents, like how brokers and real estate agents work in the industry. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Both buyers and sellers, tenants and landlords can benefit from contacting a broker. A broker is a good bet when you want to sell or buy a property. Each neighborhood has their friendly brokers, also called as real estate agents. They offer a host of services under one roof. Most brokers operate out of small offices with minimal staff or as one-man show. Yes, all you need to do is tell them your area or what you're looking at, and they will have multiple options to show you. Some other questions they ask is your budget, your BHK requirements, and the purpose, if you want to sell it or rent it out. वही सारी meetings, visits and agreements का सब organize करते हैं to smoothen out your entire process. Some brokers also arrange meetings with banks to facilitate loans. आपका broker property registration, appointment, verification के लिए भी आपकी सारी मदद करता है. Yes. अगर आपको ये information useful लग रही है तो like, comment and subscribe करें. Individual brokers specialize in specific location and neighborhoods that allow them to know and share pros and cons of the neighborhood, life hacks and services like best Wi-Fi providers, plumbers, contractors and more. Since the Real Estate Act, that is Regulation and Development Act, also known as RERA, it is advisable to go to a RERA registered broker. Individual brokers and firms के लिए mandatory है to register themselves with the real estate and regulatory authorities. Before RERA, malpractices बहुत होती थी, but since its inception, grievances are resolved easily and quickly. 1990 यानी कि 1990 के बाद real estate investment बहुत बढ़ गई, leading to the emerging of mega brokerage firms. इन firms में हर requirement का solution है for buyers, sellers, landlords and tenants alike in various residential and rental markets. Do you want to know what is real estate brokerage? Here you go. Individual brokerage की फीस को brokerage कहते हैं. It is charged after the deal is finalized, that is, the property is registered. Brokerage operates on commissions. Typically in India, वो 2% of the deal value charge करते हैं as a commission on the sale of residential property. वो fixed नहीं होता because it all depends upon your relationship with the broker. Rental के केस में 1 or 2 months का rent charge होता है as a brokerage, और commercial properties में percentage 2% से भी हाई चार्ज हो सकता है. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि फिर ब्रोकरेज फर्म्स को हायर कब करते हैं, राइट? जब प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू क्रोर्स में होती है तब इट इज एडवाइजेबल टू हायर अ ब्रोकरेज फर्म बिकॉज दे हैव ऑल द सिस्टम इन प्लेस एंड ऑपरेट विद इन द रूल्स एप्लीकेबल टू द एंटरप्राइज. रेरा की रजिस्ट्रेशन एक एडिशनल फॉर्मेलिटी है उनके लिए, विच मीन्स बेटर सर्विसेज टू यू. Most brokerage firms pump in a huge investment in training to make their staff more equipped to deal with all the products. They have huge database that can reach a wider market and offer you end-to-end support. So to know more details about the rent agreement, click on the link in the description below. Thank you for all your lovely questions. Click on the bell icon now. And if you like our information and if you have any more real estate questions, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें.